Gold soars past $3,200 as trade war deepens. Dollar loses ground. Gold blazed past the $3,200 mark on Friday as a faltering dollar and an escalating US-China trade war stirred recession fears, sending investors flocking to the safety of the yellow metal. Spot gold was up nearly 2% at $3,235.89 an ounce at 2:32 p.m. ET 18:32 GMT. After hitting a record high of $3,245.28 earlier in the session, bullion is up over 6% this week. US gold futures rose 2.1% to settle at $3,244.6. Gold is clearly seen as the favored safe haven asset in a world upended by Trump's trade war. The US dollar has depreciated and US treasuries are selling off hard as faith in the US as a reliable trading partner has diminished, said Nitish Shah, commodity strategist at Wisdom Tree. China increased its tariffs on US imports to 125% on Friday, raising the stakes in a confrontation between the world's two largest economies. The dollar fell against its peers, making greenback priced bullion cheaper for overseas buyers. A combination of central bank buying, US Federal Reserve rate cut expectations, geopolitical instabilities, and a surge of investor flows into gold-backed ETFs has also supported gold's rally this year. US monthly producer prices unexpectedly fell 0.4% in March, but tariffs on imports are expected to drive inflation higher in the coming months. Traders now bet that the Federal will resume cutting rates in June and see around 90 basis points worth of cuts by the end of 2025. A minor correction for gold wouldn't surprise, but the path forward is up and away as CPI and PPI give the Federal more room to cut and will keep downward pressure on the dollar, said Tai Wong, an independent metals trader. Non-yielding gold, a traditional hedge against global uncertainties and inflation, also tends to thrive in a low interest rate environment. But certain developments could cap gold's rise, UBS analysts said in a note, including easing geopolitical tensions, a return to more cooperative trade relations, and a significant improvement in the US macro and fiscal backdrop. Spot silver gained 3.2% to $32.18 an ounce, while platinum fell 0.2% to $936.36. Palladium advanced 0.7% to $914.87. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye.